Today we're going to talk about making money with the Roth IRA, what it is, how it works, and how it can make you a millionaire. My name's Travis Sickle, Certified Financial Planner with Sickle Hunter Financial Advisors. A lot of times we get the question of how good is your Roth IRA? And the thing to understand is a Roth IRA is not an actual investment, it's an investment account. So when you place money into a Roth IRA, you then have to go and invest those dollars, whether they're stocks or bonds or any other type of investment that you'd have in an investment account. The real power of the Roth IRA is the money that goes into a Roth IRA can often come out 100% tax-free. To compare the Roth IRA to a traditional retirement account, such as an IRA or a 401k, those dollars come out pre-tax. So before Uncle Sam takes his share, it goes directly into those accounts. Now with the Roth IRA, these are dollars that are coming after taxes. So they're dollars from your paycheck that would go into the Roth IRA. Let me give you a quick example. If you earn $100 and you're in the 20% tax bracket, your paycheck is going to reflect $80. That $80 can then be put into the Roth IRA. That's after tax dollars. If that $80 then doubles to $160, those dollars in retirement would come out tax-free. Now let's talk about how much you can save into a Roth IRA. You can save up to $5,500 in 2017 and in 2018. And if you're 50 years or over, you can save an additional $1,000, bringing the total to $6,500. Now, if you don't have $5,500 lying around to make those contributions, you can save less. There are no minimums that you can save into a Roth IRA. If you want to do it monthly, that would break down to $458.33 or $15.06 per day. And if you're trying to figure out how much that would be on a bi-weekly basis, that'd be $211.53. Now let's take a look at some of the math on how you can get to $1 million with the Roth IRA. If you're saving the $5,500 each and every single year, if you get an 8% rate of return, which is a fair long-term rate of return, you can save for 35 years and you'll have $1 million at the end of that time frame. If you get a 9% rate of return, that would bring it down to 32 years. And if you strive for a 10% rate of return, that would bring it all the way down to 30 years. Now let's take a look at the Roth IRA and look at all those dollars that you would have paid in capital gains tax, the tax on all your earnings. Those dollars are reinvested working for you. So if you have a traditional IRA or a 401k and you're saving into it, those dollars will grow, but when you pull them out, they're all going to be taxed. The Roth IRA will be tax-free. Now, if your Roth IRA grows to $780,000 over that same time frame, it would be the equivalent of a 401k or a traditional IRA that had $1 million into it. So if you take that same 8% that we talked about earlier, that would bump it down to 32 years, saving you a whole 3 years from the difference of a traditional IRA versus the Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is an excellent piece to your retirement plan. All the contributions that you put into the Roth IRA can come out at any time tax-free because you've already paid taxes on them. So you can use those dollars for a first home purchase, you can use those dollars for education planning, and you can use them to actually retire earlier than the typical 59 and a half when you could take money out of your 401k or your IRA. So the Roth IRA can provide you with tax-free income, avoid required minimum distributions, those distributions that will come from your IRA and your 401k in retirement, and the Roth IRA can be a vehicle for education planning, a first-time home purchase, or an early retirement. If you're concerned about not being able to make the full contribution of $5,500 into a Roth IRA, that's okay, because there are no minimums, so you can start funding with a plan that works for you. If you want to start or stop your contributions, you can do that anytime as well. The Roth IRA is a great investment tool that you can use with your traditional IRA or your 401k. And you can still make your Roth IRA contributions up until you file your taxes or the April 17th deadline. So whether you could save a little or a lot, the Roth IRA might be a great opportunity for you in your financial future.